And in terms of commodities, we have seen, like it seems during the last week, the gold and the silver like reach a peak.
Yes.
We are seeing that correction.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that this bubble has exploded, or gold and silver will go up in the future?
I don't know that it's a bubble.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I would call it a bubble, but the appreciation of those two instruments, and silver more so than gold, has just been meteoric. I mean, it's crazy how quickly they've appreciated. So I think, again, there's another instrument where it's expected that it was going to have a pullback. Now, it's a pretty significant pullback now. I mean, we're approaching 20%. I think it's down 8% in the last 3 days. So, it's a pretty quick move down, and both of those commodities have been pretty volatile. So, what we tell people is, if you're gonna play with those instruments, just do it in a small manner and be very careful.
And what about you mentioned before the currencies? Yeah. What do you think about the dollar? We should be bullish.
Oh, the dollar is awful weak. It's hard to step in front of that train right now because it's been going south for quite a while. But you know what? If I was a person who wanted to take a position in the dollar, I think, boy, now might not be a bad time. It's been getting beat up for quite some time, and I believe it's hitting a new low today. So
yeah, 3-year low.
Yes.
So actually, after we see when we will see the Federal Reserve start strengthening their interest rate.
When will we? Yeah, if you listen to all the economists, the lion's share of the economists anticipate that this will be sometime in 2012, and more specifically, they're saying latter part of 2012. It's been my anticipation that it might happen a little earlier, just because of as I said before, the competitive nature of global markets. So rates are going higher in countries all around us and overseas. So I think we're going to have to, at some point, follow suit if we want to remain competitive.
And also, what do you think about the price of the oil? Are we going to continue seeing an uptrend? No,
I actually think that we're close to a top, or near-term top. And the reason I say that is because I think we're going to start to feel the pinch of that. We already have, when you go to fill up your car, but now you're going to start to see all the companies pass through those additional costs that they're incurring around energy as a major component of everything that they do. And as those costs start to move down to the consumer, then you're going to get a little bit of a slack in demand, and hence you won't need as much